I'm so glad y'all migrating y'all little nasty asses back to the south. You know you gonna starve here in the snow in Chicago. Yeah, I'm so glad y'all leaving. Bye bye. You ain't left yet? If your building is 40 stories or higher, cut your lights off until November. You confuse the birds, and the birds don't know whether it's glass or not. So turn your lights off at 11 or close your blind. They are migrating. The tall buildings will confuse them. The windows will kill them. I'm ready for them to go bye-bye. Don't feed these old damn nasty birds. I'm ready for them to go. Bye. They should all be gone in November. Bye. A few of them stay though. Them old nasty ass pigeons, they got to go. Bye-bye. When you flying back north, south? We'll see y'all in the spring. Bye. Go. I ain't gonna find no bugs or nothing on the ground in Chicago when it get cold. Y'all know to leave him. Shit. Little bitty baby, you got to migrate too? Yeah, y'all got to go. Y'all got to go. I don't mistreat them. I just don't like pigeons. I don't kick them. I don't mistreat them at all, but I don't like they shitting asses. So don't. Y'all go vote November the 8th. This election is very crucial to us. If you don't vote, don't talk to me. Oh, Chicago got some birds. Y'all can go to Florida, baby. Naples, Florida is waiting on y'all. Lots of birds in Florida. Bye bye, birdie birdies. Bye bye. Hope y'all enjoyed your stay, baby. Oh, I didn't know pigeons came in so many different colors. Man, look at them. They so many colors. I ain't got no food for you, nothing but love, baby. What y'all trying to get some or something? All on top of each other, humping. Bye bye, birds. Carry y'all at nasty asses to the south. Again, your building is 40 stories or higher. Cut your lights off at 11 p.m. It confused the birds. Cut your lights off if you're 40 stories or higher at 11 p.m. We're going to do this thing until November. See, these people done start putting the birds with politics. They ain't cutting their damn lights off. Yeah. No who's saying that shit. I mean, they real nasty up here about cutting these lights off. Poor birds. And light confuse them. They can't tell when they see glass. Birds don't see windows.